Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I am going to demonstrate if you want to create GitHub like GitHub Personal Access Token, then how we can create, okay? And what purpose basically we need this GitHub Personal Access Token. Suppose if you want to push some code from Eclipse, right? Then this username password will not work. From 2021 onward, this password will not work from the Eclipse. So if you want to push some code from Eclipse to your GitHub, then you need this personal access token. Okay, guys. So deep details how we can work on that Eclipse with the GitHub, with the Git like compare commit, that I will show you in another video. But as of now, just keep in mind, if you want to push any code from the Eclipse to GitHub, then you need this personal access token. And how we can generate that, so let me show you that. So I have already logged in my GitHub account, and this is, you can see, right, Cloud Tech, and this is my 32 repository is available here. If you see here, so any of this repository, if you want to push any code, then you need this personal access token. So how we get, let's go to the profile section, and here we have one option, settings. Let's click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, here we have another option like developer settings, right? If you click on the developer settings, then here you can see, right, no GitHub, nothing is there, right? Here we can see like personal access token, and here two option is there. For our use case, let's create the classics token. Once you click on that, create new token, here also it will come to, let's click on new classic token, and here it will ask the email verification. So let me do that verification email. So I am getting some notification to my email, so let me verify. Yeah, I got that. So 121611018 and verify. Now we can give the token name, like I can give the Eclipse. For Eclipse purpose, I am going to use, and what time you want to expire this, after 30 days or 60 days, 90 days, or if you no expiry option also there. And if you want custom also you can select. So let's keep default. And since I want to push some code from Eclipse to this GitHub, then select the repo. Everything I give the access, full control, and then here option we have generate token. Okay. So once you generate the token, here you can see this token. So let copy this token, then only by using this token you can push some code to the GitHub, otherwise you cannot push. Okay guys, so I hope this video will helpful, and in my next video I will show you how we can use this kind of token to Eclipse code pushing. Okay guys, and if you feel this video is valuable, then please do like, subscribe, and share surround with your friend. That will really inspire to me, and it will really help to me. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.